Oh, here we go.
A test. This is.
What are you? Yeah, they need to. I said, well, these lights turn.
That was loud. That was loud. All right, what is up, everyone? Probably really windy, but so far, I think this has been the warmest day so far for the Siren. And today is Wednesday, March 24th of 2021. Trying to get my jacket on. It's just ever so slightly chilly. All right. We got this going on.
You want to interview Steven?
1 minute.
1 minute. Steven, go over my notes and tell the people what it is we're at.
Every year I did this.
Except last year.
Yeah.
What is this, Steven?
It's a National Siren Test Day.
How often does it happen?
Every month,
Every month?
yeah, every year. That
What month is it always in?
March,
The third Wednesday?
the third Wednesday of March, to make sure if they work and
What if the weather's bad?
they don't do it.
Because they're afraid there might be a real tornado.
Yeah.
But what can you tell us about this siren?
This siren is a Wheeling 4004 model.
4004.
Yep. I have a brochure of that.
Come with the turbocharger.
Hey, you never know.
Does it talk?
Yes.
Any time now, Steve, you're kicking.
Or that's,
I don't know who that would be.
I don't know, could be the safety director.
When's it supposed to go off?
950.
9:50. All right.
This guy
All right.
here. We live
Last year we didn't have it because it was,
on the way.
well, because of COVID, obviously. So that just, oh, it was stupid. But it's going on today, and we're gonna be good. I have no idea if you can see me. There's probably way too much backlight. Oh, here we go.
A test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
One happy guy.
He said, now we get to a red light. He said, these people, come on, people. He said, what are you? Yeah, they need to. I said, well, these lights turn all day, off and on, it's all day long. He said, they need to turn them off. There's no reason.
He was so loud.
Where did you make it with
This is a test.
That's
This
really
is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
I took it over on Dunkin' Donuts.
He looked over and he said, well, what about all those people at Dunkin' Donuts? When this goes off, he said, they're going to be nervous. I said,
That was loud.
jump out of the
Oh, that is
car,
severe
go.
backlight. You can't even see me at all. Anyways,
This is a test.
of course I'm in the sun now, but it's okay.
A test of the emergency warning system. This
We got one happy
is
guy.
only a test.
Yeah.
We've done this for many years.
He's losing weight.
Yeah.
Hey, that's good.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
They make the recording go down.
It's a recording voice. It's like people, it's like, yeah. Yep.
And I believe it's circling back around. 4 horns.
Well,
And then it has to sound the song first, then they have to.
these people look official. This is an official car too. You see the light in the back window?
Yeah. I'm wondering if it's the safety director or the police.
Sorry if it goes out of frame a little bit. I'm looking away from the display every now and
Never
then.
had two.
No.
1 year. we
I
had
don't
none.
remember which sound is next.
Uh-oh. More mailman.
And back up to it. Oh, I forgot it's not 360.
Touch the horn.
That was loud. That was loud. And turning back to true north.
I'm sure
Or-
I told you the story. We
I think it's
hadn't
true
been to
north.
that church very long. We were there Sunday night.
Could be wrong.
Right at 6:12.
Tornado
Ah, here we go.
warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Right at 6:00, service time for starting the passage. Stood to go to the pulpit, and tornado siren.
I don't know if you can hear that despite all the wind,
Right up front.
but it's coming from other angles too. Oh, he's up there at the box. I don't think he's ever done that before.
It's a tornado warning. Take shelter.
Please don't listen to
Shelter.
Tornado warning.
That's good,
A
Mr. Green.
tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
And he's out of sight. Oh, good, there he is. Whew. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried about that. And for the south side.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
But so Barbara went out. I said, well, things that I control, I guess I could.
Educating the public. Very nice.
Well, it wasn't a test. It was real mature.
And we have west.
Day or so, Paul Collins, when I first got your call, would eat lunch.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Paul Collins, he said,
Sorry about the jiggling. Left arm was getting tired.
school, Central Christian School down there in Kidder, with his grandson. He said, last night at church, some kid got up, the siren went off, and got up. That's why I knew who that was. Steve.
Then there's going to be, this
What
is
did the
the
lady
test.
say, Steven?
She said, what is it? I thought, is this a tornado during the test? She said, oh, thank you. Yeah.
There's a lamp in here. Hold
Come on, zoom out. There we go.
Sheet, gold and significant. Wonderful.
Well, this is a test.
I'm trying to think the black sheep. Probably in the sitting area. I don't know.
Oh, that's it,
Didn't
maybe?
something Barbara
Must be it,
got?
yeah.
Oh.
She furnished the whole thing. Yeah.
That might be it.
I don't think of it. The shade was a standard looking shade.
Yeah, just a black.
Okay.
Just,
Yeah.
tape it like that. Or whatever.
Then again, usually whenever we come here every year, we don't really know, like, is this it or not?
Yeah. It may have sit on that.
Apologies if this audio is blown out.
Tractor file cabinet street open thing.
And I suppose it is.
Yeah.
Oak and everything off the wall.
The windows, yeah,
Yeah.
Well, we don't know for certain, but looks like that might have been the end of the test. Happens usually every year, of course, despite last year 2020. But yeah. I'm gonna be recording just a bit longer, just in case there happens to be something.
Put that hole in the wall. It wasn't easy.
But I will say the fact that the ambulance has departed the premises probably says something about that.
Heating and airing anything? Or are they doing anything with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Hazelwood?
So, Steven, what'd you think about that?
It was awesome.
Good.
But this year went on for a long time. They had trouble turning it off, did it?
It sure seemed like it, although it seems like we never know what's going to happen every year,
Yep.
whether or not it's going to be another test or not.
Well,
You happy?
yep.
Awesome. Cool. And how was your experience?
I enjoy it. I enjoy his delight.
As do I.
And it just, I don't know when I've gotten that excited about it. You know it?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's just
Well, you know, he goes to church.
pure delight, pure delight, pure delight. Got text messages from friends saying, I bet you have a happy fellow right now. Yes, I do.
Oh yeah. He watches them quite a bit at home too.
Yes, he does. Years past.
Yeah.
He didn't watch it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for that small interview.
You're
Cool. 2 small interviews of the 2 most important people. Oh, we have Dad here, but he's talking to some friends. All right. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is still recording, right? Good. All right.